Hello families, and welcome to a Family Core app tutorial. Family Core understands that it can be challenging knowing where loved ones are due to different schedules or circumstances. This is why the app includes a geolocation feature. You can access this feature in 3 ways. First, by tapping on the plus icon in the top right of the page within the navigation bar. This will open the Add to Family Core options. Next, tap to open the drop-down menu. Select the check-in options, and then press the blue plus button next to it. Second, in the dashboard, there's another Add to Family Core section, in which you can tap to open the drop-down menu. Select Check-ins, and then tap the plus button next to the drop-down. Third, by tapping on the check-in buttons below the Family Member section. You can also find a similar section through the drop-down menu in the top left corner of the screen in the Activity page. Also in this panel, you can tap the Locate button to take you to the geolocation map. Once on the Locate page, you can scroll down to the check-in history to look at when and where members last checked in. As an admin, if you want to look at a specific member's history, just tap on their profile icon on the page. To share your own location, tap on the check-in button. To manage whether members can see your location, you can go into your profile by tapping on your profile icon on the top right corner. Select Settings. Then go to Manage Account. Scroll down until you see Permissions. In this section, you should see Geolocation Access. Then select which members you don't want to share your location with. If the user icon has a check mark, then the user can access your check-in history. As an admin, you can also edit who can see other individuals' locations by going to Manage Family. Tapping on the individual's profile icon, going to Permissions, and then scrolling down until you see Geolocation Access. Now you can periodically check in on one another and stay safe. Life can be chaotic. We help make it simple. Download Family Core today, and thank you for tuning in.